Hi everyone!
Welcome to our video. I'm Satria.
I'm Nico.
And I, Andre.
I'm Nisam. We are accounting students from the same class.
Today we're going to discuss a real problem that many students face staying focused during class and study time.
Yeah, and we also you how friends can help each other by asking for and giving advice.
So let's guys start with our real experience.
Guys, I really need to talk to someone about this. I'm having a serious problem with my studies.
What's going on, Satria? You look stressed.
I can't concentrate in class at all. Every time the lecturer explains accounting principles, my mind just wanders off. And this phone is like my biggest enemy. I keep checking Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok. Do you have any advice for me?
That sounds really tough, man. What actually happens when you try to focus?
Well, for example, yesterday during the cost accounting class, I was supposed to learn about overhead allocation, but I spent half the time scrolling through my phone. I don't understand the accounting terms either. What should I do?
Oh, I totally understand. I have the same problem, but mine is different. Can I share too?
Of course, Nico. What's your situation?
My problem is at the boarding house. There are too many distractions there. My roommate always play music loudly, people keep coming in and out, and I often stay up late chatting with friends. Then I feel so tired during morning class that I can pay attention.
Exactly. And when I'm tired, everything the lecturer says sounds like gibberish.
Last week, I fell asleep during financial accounting class and missed the entire lesson about journal entries. I really need some advice. What would you do if you were me?
These are serious issues that can affect your grades. But you know what? I think we can help you guys.
Absolutely, we've been through similar situation before. Let's brainstorm some solution together.
Satria, about your phone addiction, I suggest that you try the airplane mode technique during class.
Airplane mode? But what if there's an emergency?
Well, you can tell one friend to contact you, tell them I need FB, where you. I will also delete social media apps during exam periods.
That's a great idea, Satria. You better also sit in the front row. It's harder to use your phone when you're right in front of the lecture.
That makes sense. But what about understanding the accounting terms?
I recommend that you create a vocabulary notebook. Write down your accounting terms and entire meaning. You should review it before a class.
And you could ask question immediately when you don't understand something. Don't wait until the end of the semester.
Those are really helpful suggestions. What about you, Nico? Do you have any advice for the boarding house situation?
Actually, I want to hear their advice first.
Nico, your sleep schedule is crucial. If where you, I will set a strike bedtime might be 10 p.m. on weekdays.
But my friends always want to hang out late.
You better learn to say no sometimes. Your education comes first. I suggest that you explain to your friend that you need to focus on your studies.
About the noise environment, you should invest in noise cancelling handphone or airplanes. They are not expressed but very expensive. Effective.
That's actually a brilliant idea. What else would
You,
What else you recommend?
you could also create a study schedule and stick to it. I recommend you Pomodoro technique, study for 25 minutes, then take a 5 break.
Pomodoro technique, I've heard about it, but never try it.
It's amazing. You'd better download a Pomodoro time. It helps you stay focused and prevent burnout.
And here's another suggestion. Why don't we form a study group? We could meet twice a week to discuss accounting topic and help each other.
That's a fantastic idea. If we study together, we can motivate each other.
I love it. You should also know that having study partners makes learning more enjoyable.
Actually, and if one of us has a problem, we can ask for advice from the group.
I also recommended that you both start with small change. Don't try to fix everything at once, is overwhelming.
What do you mean by small change?
For example, you could start by turning off your phone off for just one whole meal study, then gradually increase the time.
And Nico, you'd better begin with sleeping 30 minutes early at night until you reach your target bedtime.
You know what? I'm really motivated now. I'm going to try all your suggestions.
Me too. I think the most important thing is that we have each other's support.
I suggest that we start our study group this week. What do you think?
That's a great idea. We shall meet every Tuesday and Thursday evening.
And we can use WhatsApp to remind each other about your goals. You'd better create a group chat for Akubi.
I recommend that we also share our daily achievement, no matter how small.
You're right. Even if only focus for 30 minutes without checking my phone, that's progress.
Actually, and if someone is struggling, can ask for advice from the group immediately.
I think this experience teaches us something important. We don't have to face our problems alone.
True, sometimes we're too embarrassed to ask for help, but friends are always willing to support us.
And giving advice to others also help us reflect on our own habits.
You know what I learned today? Everyone has different problems, but we can find solution together.
I suggest that we check on each other progress every week. What do you think?
Perfect, and if someone has a new problem, they should not hesitate to ask for advice.
This is exactly what I need. Not just solutions, but also a support system.
We should remember that small change can make big impact over time.
Well, that's why a really productive vacation.
Thank you so much for all the advice, guys. I feel much more confident now.
And thank you for listening to our problems without judging us.
That's why friends are for. Remember, asking for advice is a sign of strength, not weakness.
To everyone watching our video, we hope our experience helped to you.
Don't forget that small change make a big impact.
And if you're struggling with focus or study habits, don't hesitate to ask for help.
Thanks for watching and good luck with your studies.
Mais I got no test, yeah, I got my cash, but you know that I'm the best. For the things I do, no